In the rush to cut costs and chase efficiency, companies everywhere are replacing human roles with AI customer service reps, writers, designers, even therapists. On paper, it makes sense. AI works 24/7, never takes PTO, and costs a fraction of a salary. But in practice, it's backfiring spectacularly. Take customer service. Airlines, banks, and telecom giants have slashed human support teams, replacing them with chatbots that loop endlessly, misinterpret simple requests, and escalate frustration instead of solving problems. Customers aren't just annoyed, they're abandoning brands. One study found that 73% of consumers will switch companies after just one bad AI-driven service experience. Efficiency means nothing if you've lost trust. Then there's content. Newsrooms and marketing agencies are flooding the internet with AI-generated articles, social posts, and product descriptions. The result? A sea of bland, repetitive, often inaccurate content that erodes credibility. Google's latest algorithm updates are now penalizing AI-spun fluff, tanking traffic for sites that prioritize volume over value. You can't build a loyal audience with soulless automation. Even creative fields aren't safe. Companies using AI to replace graphic designers or video editors often end up with generic, off-brand visuals that miss emotional nuance. AI doesn't understand culture, context, or human desire, it mimics patterns. And when everything starts looking the same, differentiation dies. Worst of all is the ethical fallout. AI hiring tools have been caught discriminating against women and minorities. Mental health apps powered by chatbots have given dangerous advice. Legal firms using AI for briefs have submitted fake case logins sanctioned by courts. These aren't glitches, they're symptoms of a deeper flaw. AI lacks judgment, empathy, and accountability. The truth is, AI wasn't meant to replace humans. It was meant to augment them. The most successful implementations aren't human versus AI, but human plus AI. Radiologists using AI to spot tumors faster, writers using AI to brainstorm, then editing with human insight. Customer service agents using AI to pull up records instantly while they focus on compassion. When companies treat AI as a cheap substitute rather than a smart tool, they sacrifice quality, trust, and innovation. They confuse automation with intelligence. And in doing so, they alienate the very people they're trying to serve: customers, employees, and communities. The lesson isn't to reject AI, it's to use it wisely. Keep humans in the loop for decisions that require ethics, creativity, and care. Let AI handle the repetitive, the tedious, the data-heavy, but never let it replace the irreplaceable human connection. Because in the end, people don't want perfect efficiency. They want to feel seen, heard, and respected. And no algorithm can fake that. If you found this perspective valuable, please like this video, share it with someone who's navigating AI in their business, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on responsible innovation, AI strategy, and the future of human-centered technology. Together, let's build a smarter and more human AI future.